Turning 30 felt like a wake-up call for me. For years, I thought I was stuck in the same cycle: work, stress, silence, and hiding how I truly felt. But something inside of me said, if I don't make a change now, then when? That's when YouTube came into my life, not just an app, but as a lifeline. Hello, my name is Leia and welcome to my open diary. For today's video, this is my sixth long form video. I would like to share with you how I changing my life with YouTube at 30 years old. Actually, I'm a little bit confused because until now in recording this video, I still can't decide if what title I will put on this video. If how YouTube changed my life at 30 years old or how I changing my life at 30 with YouTube. Because I think there's a differences on that topic. So yeah, but the one thing I'm sure is YouTube made me, give me a big impact in my life. So now I'm gonna share with you my thoughts on this title. So yeah, for years I kept hidden my struggles. I told you in my third long form video that I live far away from my family. I really shared my true feelings. So yeah, because I started working young at 11 years old to be exact. It's like yesterday. So, and now that I'm in 30, if I'm thinking all of that, it's like time flies. Like it's still clear in my mind that I remember I told to my mother that I don't want to be burdened from them because we are seven children and we are so poor. And I told to them that I don't want to be burdened from them. I want to help. I wanted to find a work. And yeah, at 11 years old, I was lucky that I got a job in salon. So that's the start of my story in in work. I mean, it's not corporate world because my work that time is in salon, like helping the the parlor to what's this? I don't know what call them, like the hairstylist to assist them like that. So yeah, and since then I became working student. I actually don't feel what's the feeling of what it feels like to be a teenager because that time I'm so matured enough to understand that I need to work so I can support myself. And then when I was in 20s, I became more busy in work. My life became more serious. And like now, oh my god, I already 30. And it's like it's my teenager lives, my 20s. I feel so ignorant. Like times time is very fast. Like, wow, I'm already in 30. Now, at 30 years old, I can stop comparing myself to the people in my same age. Actually, also in the other people that in 20s that they are achiever, they achieve a lot in that age. What I mean is, everyone seems to figure out their life. Meanwhile, I felt so stuck. The depression that I'm fighting for every day, the emptiness that I felt, and the thousand questions that running in my mind. Questions like, I already worked for 2 decades. Why I feel I'm still nothing? Why I feel so invisible? why I feel I'm so trapped. And that's why I I'm drowning in depression, like I don't see any escape on that. And thankfully YouTube came in my life, and now I'm so happy that I'm gonna share with you how I changing my life with YouTube. How I really changing my life at 30 with YouTube. I made a goal for 10 years. So it's like all my 30s will be in YouTube. Yeah. So I made a promise to myself that I will make and post a video consistently, no matter what. So I started it with a shorts video because that time it was so easy to make. Yeah, because it's a shorts video. I told you that I already did Facebook Reels. I also doing a TikTok. So doing a shorts video in YouTube is like so basic for me. So I'm actually enjoying it because I posted there random videos. Sometimes I'm a florist, sometimes I'm a chef because it I don't want to feel I don't want to feel hard to myself. What's in front of me. So I will take a video on that and then I will make it into shorts. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in my shorts video. Just capture any video in my work like that, and then I also have a save video before that I didn't post it yet. And so yeah, so every day I posted one shorts video in one specific time because yeah, but I'm still experimenting. But now I'm posted a short video in one specific time, so it will not hard for me. And then I also do a live stream, so I'm trying to do a live stream like 3 times per week. I love live stream because there's a lot of different people in there that around the world that I can talk to, and then every time I'm doing a live stream and then someone commenting like that, I feel so alive and I feel myself again. And also the live stream is so easy because no need to edit more. Once you are done, you will just thumbnail picture. Actually, I just put any random picture from my gallery and then I'll just edit it and then I will put it in my live stream and then I will publish it and then charan, it's done already. And yeah, and now here is the long form video. This is the challenging one. So I made a schedule for a week on how I will do my long form video. Because unlike the YouTube shorts and live stream, it's so easy because no editing. Actually, the editing is one of my challenging. That's why it's already 10 years. I just now starting my YouTube journey because of editing. It's like it it makes me stress and then I will stop. If I am stressed, I will stop. So anyway, so yeah. So what I did is that I will become consistently on doing a video, a long form video. I don't want to harden myself. So I decided to post one video per week. So my schedule will be from Monday to Wednesday. This is the day that I will research and writing my thoughts. I will do brainstorming, even taking shower or while going to work because my travel traveling going to work is like 1 hour because I will also pick up my colleague in their accommodation and like that. So while on inside the van, I'm thinking and analyzing the the title that I will do next. So that's in 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So my mind is busy on thinking. So and then Thursday is my shooting day because the Thursday is my work will be 3 p.m. not 2 p.m. I will have a 1 hour extra. Yeah, because my work will be 3 p.m., not 2 p.m., not same in the regular day. So I have 1 hour extra. So in 1 hour, I should finish the video no matter what. So that's why the mistakes counts, and I chose to include on my video to put at end the the behind the scenes, because I think it's very human. Because in the world of AI that all is so perfect, I personally I love watching YouTube creator that they didn't much remove all the mistakes on their video. For example, I love Rob Maritimer. If you know him, I actually love him because he's very raw and he's very authentic. I love the way he put the behind the scenes of his video. So anyway, so I'm just saying because he's one of my, I love his style. So yeah. Anyway, and then Friday, that is my editing day, and that's my challenging day for me because I'm not really great in editing. I'm still studying it by tutorial also in YouTube. But I did, I use a KineMaster for my long form video. I use also CapCut for my shorts video. I use PixArt for my thumbnail, and I use Remini. So I use for application for editing of video. I'm I'm just learning it, just a basic editing, because the hard editing is too much for my mind, and maybe I will stop. So I don't want to harden my mind, because I told you I'm still on working on my mental health. So doing this YouTube is helping me to avoid them. So yeah. And Saturday is my posting day. Yes, finally I will post my video. So that time I will post like in the same time also, and then but I still in unlisted. And then and Sunday it's my off day, so I will make it public. And also that's my day off, so I will relax my mind, and I will not think anything. So I have 1 day to rest my mind and to rest myself, and then go away from social media. I will clean my room and then just play a piano from from my laptop. And yeah, so that's my weeks going on. It's like so busy in doing on YouTube because I'm so focused now in YouTube. I'm so focused now to myself. Unlike before in YouTube, I feel so boring, and that's why I feel I'm so invisible. I feel myself I'm so stuck because there's there's no going on good in my life, and then I don't feel myself valuable. Like I'm I just born, and then my soon I will die, like nothing. So in this my YouTube era, I wanted to make sure that I will just not uh, live in this world and then I will die without nothing impact in this world. I really wanted to become a valuable woman that can give an impact to every woman, even to every people in this world, that we can be a valuable people in our terms. So helping with YouTube, we can do ourselves valuable. Because if I will think my old life before YouTube, my teenager and 20s is all, yeah, I spent in working. At 11, I started working. 20, I became more busy in work. And I don't make any, what I will say, like, I don't make any contribute to myself that, yeah, I mean, if the people will ask me who I am, I don't, I mean, I don't think, I mean, I can't say who I really am, what I did in my life, like now. But now at 30, like I can say, who are you? Like I can say, I am YouTuber. Yeah, because now that every time I posted a video and then I will watch myself in the video and then I'm so happy. Even there's a lot of mistakes. Even that one is not good, but I I will say that. Oh my God. Sorry, I cut the video. I became so emotional. What I mean is, every time I watch myself after I posted the video, I can say that, ah, that's really me. That's what I really love to see myself. And all that being said, sorry, I became so emotional on that line. YouTube made me myself again, because YouTube is not only a platform. YouTube became my therapy. It helps me to heal myself, my mental health. YouTube became my confidence builder. It helps me to regain my courage and reconnecting to myself again. So I don't know if you will call me crazy that I became so attached in YouTube, but I'm just saying my thoughts that I really see the change. I really see my change because of YouTube. It gives me back the I mean, YouTube gives me back what I lost in my life from teenager and 20s. And now that's why I titled my second playlist that my 100 uploads, or my YouTube journey on rebuilding myself at 30. Because on the title is like, I will I will make it no matter what, because the thought of responsibility that I need to finish that playlist. So right now I'm in my sixth long form video, so I still have 94 videos to make. So but yeah, I really put a 100 video. So if I will do one video per week, so it will take 2 years. So for 2 years, I will rebuild myself what I lost in my teenagers and 20s. So I will start my life again at 30. So yeah, at 30, I didn't just start a channel. I also start a life. So that's it. If you are still in this part of my video, thank you for watching. So it means you are resonate with me, and let's do it. So thank you so much. If you like my video, smash the hit button and please subscribe me. It can help to me. And thank you so much. It's my open diary that I'm sharing with you guys. So thank you. I'll see you next week. Not next Thursday, because my shooting day. See you on next Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. I became so emotional. What I mean is, every time I watch myself after I posted the video, I can say that, oh, that's really me. That's what I really love to see myself. So yeah, anyway, I became so emotional. I don't know why. So yeah, or maybe because that's what I really love.